Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the Aternos server is online and reachable. This matters because voice discovery depends on a running instance. Next, install simple voice chat on the server and on your client, matching the Fabric or Forge Loader version exactly. Once done, restart server and client to let the mod register its networking hooks. Make sure to upload the mod jar in Aternos mods area and enable the correct Minecraft version. Back up your world first to prevent accidental data loss. Once both sides have the mod, open the simple voice chat settings in your Minecraft client to choose push-to-talk or voice activation, because input mode affects latency and privacy. Then set bitrate and voice range to balance quality versus bandwidth. Lower bitrate reduces lag for remote players. Make sure Aternos allows necessary UDP ports or uses its relay. If you see no audio, check server-side mod config for overrides. Finally, test with one friend to confirm you can hear and be heard. You finish by inviting players and running live tests. Move within range to validate proximity chat and switch to group channels if you need private talk. Monitor server CPU and network use. If audio is stuttering, reduce range or bitrate to lower load, because Aternos has finite resources. If voice still fails, recheck that everyone has the exact mod version, confirm Aternos firewall or port settings aren't blocking UDP, and verify client microphone permissions. These are the most common.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.